Of course, it's not funny, okay? Now, madam, with utmost sincerity, do you love your husband? Just be sincere, because I'll tell your husband to climb up. I just want to know, do you love your husband?
For that, I would say no.
Okay, you don't. Okay,
I may build it later, but for now, no.
Okay. Are you angry? Because there are two different things. So listen, make me not get it wrong here, okay?
Yeah.
Guys, try to understand. Let me explain what it means to love someone for you, okay? And what it means to dislike someone. And what it means to hate someone, okay? If you love someone, it means you can go extremely anywhere to defend that person. You care for the person. You can go extra mile just to make sure that person is happy. That is when you love someone. You care. You can provide for the person. This is love. Now, if it comes to dislike, it means a character that the person is possessing. Just the character. You just wait. Calm down.
For now, I'm not using the word of dislike for now.
Okay, you see why I can explain now. So calm down. Dislike, so when I say dislike, because people can misunderstand these things. When I say dislike, it means the character where the person they possess. Some kind of character where they possess, you don't like them. But not just all, but at least to an extent. When you say hate, it means that you feel by the person, not be hate. So I just make an explain to you. Exactly. So now you go with dislike, Abi.
Dislike, yeah.
So it means you still love him, but you just dislike his character at the moment. So I will go with that. Okay, thank you. So now, comment section, I don't hear the details. So she made a mistake. So please, let's not judge her on the first reply she gave. So madam, that one don't clear now. Yeah. So it goes by me now that you love your husband, but you're only angry with his behavior, according to what you said. That's clear enough. Mr. Enogie, sir, please, can you come up? Bring him up. Moderator, bring your husband, I beg. Because we need to sort these things out. Let them bring him up. I want to ask him a question. Because I'm giving it to you, and then I'm also giving it to him. Because let's see, we know where we don't reach. Baba, I beg, come up, Abela. Please come up.
I don't know where. Now, see my drop glass.
Your drink. Now when you show the bottle, I know say the fair flag you since. Mr. Enogie, you do climb up, please.
I lost the glass.
Yeah, she said dislike. She's right. Yeah, Enogie, last time they require because I saw him just now. He was typing. I think so. Or typing it, if you did that, please let him come up, please. Please. Because this family, nobody feel put asunder. The army wanana gui la wo. Please. Is he there? Moderators, if he's there, please.
To me, I know.
Okay. It's all right. No problem. It's all right. Now, why I be say I want who they tag me for something? Let me see. I'll tag you, man. Okay. If not so, they say make I tell you people made a draw first, say maybe you know I may come up. I don't know. Is it that one? I don't know if not that one be the reason. But if let him come or they will drop. If not so.
No.
Okay, no problem. It's all right. Now, the reason why I'm asking this thing, it shows now to the people that the woman now, when they give her wrong narrative now, she is only angry and she has the right to be angry. You know, she has the right to dislike a certain character. We say the husband is a bit. Same with the man too. So I was make her ask the man the same question. Maybe we start to sort these things out. Maybe just say wala on waseto on I mean. Because this is the best way to go about this. So if you can send the request up, I would have preferred it. Let me give him the same question. But if he wants everybody to calm down, I can talk everybody calm down. Most sort these things out. Ask question or question. Please. That's what I'm asking. Enogie, we got a comment section by Lao. Send the request at the Lao. Please. If it's possible. I know you are watching.
Okay. Like this, I believe. Oh, God.
Okay. It's all right. So, madam, if you know you still love your husband, the only thing I can tell you now is this. In as much say, I know say that your husband bring this to social media. I not support him on that one. He might support you. And your claims that first, he's supposed to tell you, say, see what thing happen for his house. Then you'll feel defend that. That one I understand. You are very right there. 100% right. And anybody will call you for see you call the verse. That person never understands what they call emotional trauma. And the reason why you diverse, I know all your reasons, but we don't have to go to that route. Because why? You don't see this person as a friend, a family friend, and all those things, and you felt betrayed. And the person she is even playing with is your ride or die, which is your husband. I understand that. So that one is clear enough. But you see this thing, social media, we can either help you or we destroy you. This is one, that's now the place we did with this one. We can either help you or destroy you. And your husband wasn't supposed to bring this thing here. He was not supposed to bring it here. That's where he made this whole mistake from the onset. And I've said it before. He made a very big mistake to bring it here on social media. Settle nine in Wowa. Understand? So it has already been done already. Now, the only suggestion now, madam, when you say if he give, he say you curse him because we not see him. Mama dege in your tire. Them matter no, them matter at your body. My not see him. Na in see him. Na in talk him. We just take him, just believe him. If na so it truly be my sister. Now two things na day. People they just say make she go return that course. See, if you they swear with bitterness, you they swear with anger. And such courses, you know understand, if it work, I had an aseromano. And if person want return now, the person need to do it with sincerity. You don't compel them to do it. And when it doesn't work. Because why the thing not come out from your heart and your spirit not agree with what it in your mouth. So it doesn't work. So you need to understand that this man now is your husband and you need to forgive him. Because he get why it's making it come up. Because there are some questions why if you forgive him now, then this thing, maybe if he died down a little bit, when I'll say sorry, because this whole thing at the end of the day is going to end with I'm sorry. Because there's no quarrel we say don't happen for this life where we say, nah, I'm sorry be the highest of everything. Now I go feel saw this thing. You see that the man is kneeling down, you see that the woman is kneeling down, but at the end of the day, I'm sorry settles everything. There is nothing else. If there's any that word that settles issues, marital issues, let me know. Now I'm sorry you sort of this thing. So I just want to get it right. Because I would have put it out to him. Oh, guy, do you love your wife? Maybe if you tell me it's okay, yes, he dislike some characters. Then, if people still love each other, but you're only angry with some certain characters, then these things can be resolved. It can be resolved. People call they use it, they do content, or they use demand, they do content. I'm not happy. I was since then, I'm not happy.
Now me and people say this matter happen. Why? Because like what happen for PA issue, I know a lot of people when saga me that period. The woman is devil. She's the one that advised the man. The woman is devil. If this matter not happen, maybe another thing I can happen. Cause when I start in a person when go talk word, don't want me talk na zero. I be bad person. If this matter not happen, say now another thing similar can happen. So when you like frame me say because she don't feel done before. I no do a day one corner. Even when I brought my photo, you say, honey, this girl blocked me. Me, they tell you all this thing before. When they call the user, they saga me, go say, I tell you, no, so you they close to me, pass.
I beg you, the way you take one time, will you rest?
This sorry, it don't even late because as that thing you happen, you have a record you want to come and present to public, present to your fans. You first sort your inside first. And don't go man. Who can sort one? You sort it out before you will not come out and say, see. Even when you see mistake, you not first sort it out first. You want to sort public. And so they head that public. Oh, now it's like how you first up. You don't true with that video. You have the conscience. Even when I they angry, I they vex that night. This kind of thing, they not tell me, or God say, yeah, love you, Joe. Conscience let you take sleep. We never said to your woman. They still break. I see pick my anger again. Say, you get me to sleep yesterday. For Wetin happen? You don't even explain to me. So now go deep like this. I beg, but get in my way. Hello, I don't understand.
Mamma
Then
Nora,
you
posso,
not came out
aspetta,
of
posso
public and say,
parlare?
I'll be telling her sorry.
Mamma
You are
Nora,
fooling me with that.
aspetta, posso parlare?
Chi è?
Sono io, Quinsley. Ascolta, aspetta, ascolta, non esiste un matrimonio perfetto, hai capito?
Qui no Pepe italiano, se non parlare inglese,
Yeah, there is no marriage that is perfect.
You speak Italian, you speak English, you are going to talk, you are a fool. God punish you. You they speak it English, you be language, you be English person. You want to spread you do say they speak Italian. You are a big fool. For you to come out as Italian for the beginning. Are you stupid?
Now, Mama Nora, see, sorry for that one, whether she speak Italian or not. That will not be the main bone of contemplation now. The question will be say I talk to be say now you feel offended, no problem. Mo will leave that part first. Whether the man is wrong. You see, madam, see, I'm trying to make you understand something. You feel, I understand. See. Mama Nora Mujanegi. Mommy Mujane, Laoji Lao. See where they try to drive at. I'm not trying to say me you can't explain everything now, because we saw everything. It's on social media. We saw everything. The major thing now be say, you admit now say your husband wrong you. And we don't say, okay, yes, from the beginning, wrong you. No problem. We admit that one. Because me, I cannot defend it. That is 100% right. The only part now will be say, in now they tell you now say you do wrong, of which true. By tradition, you are wrong there. You know the sense that you carry egg swear for her. Because why? He's the father of your children. So that will not be okay.
Can you call him and ask him the words he used for me before I go to that action? Before I say the action.
Okay, the words he used for you, that I don't know. Because what he said is what we are, because now waiting we hear. Because we not there, none of us did there. We not know.
His friend there yesterday. Why I tell us waiting?
We not here. As sorry, we not see him.
How you go use that kind of word? You ask and say,
okay.
Because it's everybody they against me. I never see anybody when that wisdom come, he will say, please, can you be truthful? Can you tell us the words you use for that woman before you go?
Before she got triggered, I understand that part. You are right. You are right. Because no smoke without fire. You are right, there, madam. You are right. You are right. Now, the part now, madam, if we supposed to follow on now, move follow on the way to happen. Okay, let me say he wrong you first. That one is undisputable. Now, if he now comes now sincerely, so make he beg you the way go take beg you for his house, made that affect clear. Then you go do the one with
according to his same family. Then you not send the paper. You go say, my anything go bring out to media. If me even bring out to media, now you even the worst part my own for the media. Now you even they contribute for the media aspect pass. You they explain, you send me the clear, and now you clear people up. So somebody say you something, I never ever see, I never comment on my WhatsApp. The first person you send that paper to is presenter. That is a total less than, total big disrespect to a woman. You say you pay bride price according to you, fair you pay. Now make up the sense of women say, as stop assist 15 months to pay bride price. Now they tell me say, man, you say you will not assist you. I no assist. I no assist. All this is the reason why I no assist. I see the way they shout and say, I pay bride price. I pay bride price. You send that paper to someone when me never even see paper. That one a big less than a big disrespect. Then you say, I mean, they carry matter call media.
Okay, Mama,
cannot do it for media.
Mama,
you not go carry that. You not go tell your family. You send a media what's up problem, but you bring the topic to media.
This is where the problem is, because this media matter. You know, say that first day on call. I wish they would not listen. All these things would have come on social media. Because it be women.
There's part only la wo ye wrong in la oh la and the mad.
But he said he begged you now. He's saying he begged you. He's saying he begged you now. He's saying he begged you. That the at least happiness was a witness now.
Epa, if you dey public now, person mash you. He tell you sorry. That you can't look your eyes say where you not come up for one part. You say I'll cut the tell sorry. I don't feel like now they lie because it's not big manipulator. Sorry. Isha, Ima way. Egwina, sorry, Ima way. The next year, your back dog be. Are you okay? Now me, you want fool like that? Now me, you want fool like that? The way they come meet that, they say, my fans, I know I've wrong. I go use the that net, as Sunday will tell you, if man will not get pride, man will not be sorry. As you cut that life, you don't that night, if I never laugh, you know if you sleep. If me never laugh on that night, and that day, that night the matter starts.
Okay, mommy, not now. Okay, now, mommy, Mujanel. Okay, what do you want him to do now? What do you want him to do now? Let us see. Okay, tell us now. Tell us. What do you want him to do now?
It's late. No. They hold that. He caught me. Although he don't return ammo for night, so you see the days he don't return ammo, but I'm not satisfied. You your whole can hold that one for one. Forget the error when you do. Forget what you.
Madam, let us leave the past now. Madam, see, now say past here, because there is no where there is no conflict resolution. Now more try bring peace now. Tell us, Madam, wait. Madam, calm down.
If I been that nice, me go like that for bread. You come to show me more. Wetin never play finish because he go come to show me more. That night, we say sorry, we not go bela, we no ya love you. Maintenant, why I love you? As I thought, I didn't go sleep. Daybreak, I continue the talo again. You know what? All time now. You see that we're pressing for.
Okay.
Without feeling remorse, without for a med, I never sleep with her. That make her pride do like that. Cause now what see they talk say I never sleep with her. But you not shout. It pass woman when they don't sleep with. You ever forge a WhatsApp number, shouting the ghetto be me and not be me.
So, madam, now the question is: you want him to render a proper apology? Maybe say
it's late. It's late. We are on this space. It's late. You're late, man. The proper apology for now. I just want to cool off my head. It's late.
Okay, there's no problem. It's all right.
Mommy,
anybody else can say, I just want to come there because I think
just talk for a few minutes.
if that's what she wants, then we can't force her now. Let me just come down.
Thank you so much for your
I agree to now. My come down. Good night.
What I still say first side there, you know say everything a process. Everything a process. You know say some situation go day. The person just need some little time to calm down. Both the husband and the mommy Nora, everybody they just need time to calm down. You know, say no matter how people go talk, no matter how you force the horse to the river.
He did outside try yesterday. At this man stage, you see, go outside try yesterday. He did I say so he not come out for us. As I all wear clothes, he say I won't come out. Before I say I wear my hair, this man quickly wear shirt. He go outside because I know if he can't let you there for his house, I say no. Are you there outside since yesterday? Make me see come out today. Before I say me I wear, you know what they get people to work back. I got many say na me only children for. And now that outside you there yesterday.
That is why una need time to reconsider things. Because normally before, no be so it be. Now house where happiness, peace, day, understanding they come in. When understand the day inside, as you dey dress say you want to come out for house, it go day. When peace day, it go day house, it go know say you dey come out or you want to go do something. So now because of the situation where they grand, that is why they happen like that. So mommy, wetin I go talk? Make una just abeg calm down. Una take time to get to yourself back because normal people don't talk well. Different people don't talk for this matter. So nobody go fit. Now you dey inside the house. Now you know wetin you go do. Nobody go force wetin you want to for your body. So you just need to calm down so that things go fall into place.
The comment section say I like it raw. I like it raw.
Mommy, no, mommy, why?
I don't know why I feel so comfortable talking to you guys. You guys are my strength anyway. Not be no strength.
Mommy Nora, you know Wetin? Una good evening.
You
Wetin
guys are
talk?
my strength. You guys are my strength.
You could abeg. Mommy Nora abeg, you know Wetin? Yeah, abeg. Only Wetin me will tell you say, you see this life, especially marriage issue. No one when you better pass, you understand?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
not
wrong. Now, now,
yeah, wait. I not fit climb now. Me, I thought say my own are the best. Now it's just that some people say they not be social media person. You understand?
yeah,
No one. And secondly, our men, our adult men, a lot of them they too get pride. Now be the problem. Many of them don't know how to say sorry. Not be
yeah,
only your husband. He put their body. Many
yeah.
don't know how to say sorry if it's the wrong woman. I don't know whether they really love the women, whether they marry or they just want marry, make them born. Now I don't
They're
know.
not.
You understand? Because
Yeah.
if this man now, if na another person as that is job up that day, he go even turn out to joke. And not they know
I
how
said
to
that
get
night,
funny now.
that
He go
night,
turn out to
that
joke,
man.
self.
Now the woman come with the tell her say, on the adorers go like that. I don't hear. I don't hear.
Exactly.
You see the verse. You see the verse.
You
You
know.
go, yeah. They'll put corner two room. Our room will not get. We will not get secret. My two room big. Carry to the put for room. Yeah, you go like that. We'll discuss. On the bed
Now
now.
talk things out.
We go even knock that night. We go even knock that night, sef. If I would invest it, I know it don't do. What did you go even
Yeah.
do that? You know, go even reason now, join something. They go break, I go everyone go see pass, pack. But they go see talk about day night, man. I see me take you that night. You never see reach you. Before me, you come back, they do help man, follow my husband. Maybe not, but now me, everybody for the saga. I go say, if they play the record, I go they do help man, follow her. If they play, I go they do help man, follow her because he don't confess to me. I don't see everything. Waiting, I don't see her. There's so many don't know how to treat woman. When the tree don't expire, they don't know how to breed that woman. Break, carry and stand again. If that woman want high, want verse, oh God, maybe na me all of una for the course. I swear because me myself I mumu. Now me una for all the course. Now say na a woman, na a woman. Now not say you say the woman they do help man follow her. Now the girl na they side down. Now so I be. I hate lies. I hate lies.
You
Lies.
forget, you know, yeah, forget. No, forget. Not let anybody come tell you, say, just do this. No one way you better pass, oh, my sister, forget. Just forget, oh. Now, because of say everybody hold their own for his house. Forget, forget, oh, forget.
Again,
Some people, some
one
people
comment
now,
I see.
their husband go
It's
blow
take
them
over
for
for
nose.
camera. Go
Then
down
go
once.
come social media, go say, the for me, my
Eh,
whereas you don't collect blow for eye.
no, it go
Forget
fit
story.
there. I swear, no, it go fit there. Yeah.
Eh. May may you forget our men, that one are there, they carry flag for that one. Now first class citizen they be for pride. May we just take her easy like that.
Please,
Everything
don't
will
okay,
be
so na
okay.
fake account. Now, don't use the name of account now.
I
Una for
beg.
say, Enogie wet blizomo. I beg.
I beg.
I never see that video, but now those kind of pictures supposed to they fly. Una go carry their two pictures together. Una go wear them together when they kiss. Okay, even when when they ever hold baby boy, una go ever pull baby boy for their hand. Okay, he dream has come true. AI people, now they form hand this time. Wait till I be the expert. No, never do it for me. More do it for me.
They're
I
not
beg.
gonna do it. They're not gonna do it. Make you
Una
rest.
go abeg, una
Rest.
wait there too. Una come put am for there. Una come write put say I like it raw. I like it raw. Now put am for.
Oh man, Nora, you can fight trouble. You yourself, you're all day, your body, you dey fight trouble. I beg.
My
Leave
sister.
my
Oh,
brother alone. I beg. So we o ma bo. Where I go? My don't know look here. Go
sister,
go
no.
so. Leave her. I beg. Negotiate, Joe.
Only she that
Mommy Antonia, Mommy Antonio, you know say, waiting one good for life. Now so enemies they fight.
Exactly.
Mommy Nora, you suppose know say you and Daddy Nora, no be as they talk am. Na be big fish. So people must to dey find way where they will take scatter am. You understand?
apart from that document, when my not get it, you know the lack of anything. You know the lack of anything. Not be so woman head to see the favor person rich. Even you sit there with me, people are sick. I guess some people, you know, go they see all those, you know, go they see there. Now, apart from that document, we not get there. Nothing. This man the lack of nothing. He know it this year. He know the kind blessing we don't visit and woto. I know the jealous everything you they do. You know the jealous man. Oh, we all get that spirit. We know the jealous of each other. If I will send money, go and say, now you go at people and say, oh, yours good like that. Why you man? Hey, only I say I've been here by anyone. See, don't do like that. I know the jealous your own. Nothing. What? I know they monitor your phone. You go there with the sleep through wait for. I know they try to lose. Wait till you want for me again. Waiting. I know after life video. I know they will call you say this new for remove this one do this one. You go carry all moderator for group. Call for the please. It's okay, John. It's okay. It's okay.
Nora beg, forget Wetin you pass because if you dey reason
you know what boss people say when the girl thought say me na dey fear. I don't know my video when send go give the girl because the girl say the video you send about your wife.
That girl not get anything and that girl want provoke you. Now what she want be this one?
My breast may like bad. That team when you talk I don't video
that girl want your talk to where go provoke you. Now what did the girl want now be this one?
My breast with your long reach ground. So it be that day. No, really I'm not telling you my woman breast long reach ground. See her. Me no.
She not get anything.
Fine. I'm not telling you breast long reach ground. See breast. Oh, I said they get back. Me my engagé.
No. You not tell.
That one when the girl talk. That one when the girl talk na lie. The man no go fit video you go send go give.
No, that one na your pure lie.
Yeah, no be that one. Not be everything where the
husband no go fit do one. That girl na lie. That girl dey find
it don't feel happen before, madam. That make me believe. Don't feel happen before when my husband control his single mother of three. Say me the girl cost me. If I don't see that evidence, my husband go deny. He said, the girl cost me. And they shout with the girl, say, my husband, the girl, they cost me. He said, I don't know what is wrong with my wife. We don't start again. See the way the girl, they cost me. The girl, they cost me. Not be my marriage, not be the way they bring me down for them. If I that one, come say, the video and the words you use about your wife, come and say it. I get one last thing where the girl, they comment, people say, it will be say people, they beg, if you say me your poor mouth, everywhere go cast. Earthquake go enter TikTok. Wetin my husband talking about me. Now they say na lie. What asking? Man, they deny.
She can't talk the truth.
The girl currently think now say wetin want happen me really can't speak.
Mama no na lie. As they don't disgrace that girl reach for media. If now really say that girl really get something about you, she for don't talk am. That girl not get anything. Now home destroyer. You see the thing now say he never see this girl. No see that girl.
Even though the girl toss the man toss something.
Yeah.
Now few men they talk true if they toast another man.
I beg, I feel talk to Mama Yuri. I want to talk to Mama Yuri.
Yeah.
Mama Nayo, I want to talk to. Good afternoon, ma.
Now this one be the two.
Oh, not too much.
Mama Yuri.
You don't know your platform.
Oh, God, do I beg God, do I know what can't
I don't use laugh, kill you.
You want that to your sister.
It make it your
Hey, don't give a best in all. See,
that one don't have this afternoon.
Okay, mommy, what boy? I have the laugh.
Boy, now wow.
If someone when you say yes, your makeup, you look like Iyore.
Now, Mama Laura, I want to talk to. When I know first, Mama Laura. Mama Laura.
Don't come again.
Wait. Mama, wait, not the laugh. Let me talk to host. Not the laugh.
Okay.
Now, host, I want to talk to.
Okay, sir.
Me, Mama Laura, I beg, I want to ask you a question. No verse. I know say you don't know me before. I don't know you. I know you.
Like fake account, not
be fake account, not real account. Not be fake account. Me ask your comment section whether na fake account.
Mama, fake account it be more na local na fake account.
Not be fake account. No.
More na local. May I first say yes or no? Na fake account.
You answer me. May I talk to you? Not be fake account.
No. FC mommy, thank you. You not boku. Wetin, mommy. Wetin.
Man, don't come out.
Alegi o kata.
You reach your side. Hey.
I think now my last baby just give me my last baby.
That customer for where I do.
My last baby now just give me.
You they take injection. February, you just take injection.
Hello.
It's the best.
I like get injection. That's spray they give me. You get injection.
No,
Laura.
Mama Nora.
Injection. February.
Mama Nora.
My jobless, my love.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning.
Good afternoon.
That BTC, not be fake account. Now Sonia, Godfather be that one. Where Sonia and Nokia they quarrel? Now they always they do settlement for the middle. Not be fake account. Yes, BTC, not be fake account.
No, yeah.
Mommy Laura.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. At that side.
Adeo.
La wo go ni mi ave tamu where your boy away la ma my darling. La wo go. Imi ave hona wa ave gwansin la wo we mi ya ni ave tamawe la wa maru de marie maru do na le ari le rude imani vere manani vere mi awe wa be forgive la wo ma I make na agree because when wa ya je gbe kian me wa like la
Maybe thank you. And then my yo, I will say.
La wo ma only when you do tama we la wo
Where say?
and drop him in na bye bye yo.
Where say?
Yeah, Mommy Laura, you they take injection for the allergy.
Injection day now spray they give me a spray.
No, that day you take the injection like that end of February. You take the injection, it go last for 3 months. So they last 6 months, so a year. It go do your body.
Okay.
Then if you get strong allergy like that one where your eye go
If I be nice, you must give me lion.
But
Be
that
nice,
one so, mommy, that one see the make me the big go.
You know the
Be
big.
nice, you must give me lion star.
You know
Can't take injection, join my implants. That it go fit here. I can't take injection, join my implants. It go too much for my ability go too much.
You know they make person big, you know they make anything. Yeah, they take her now.
Okay. Now spray my daughter be give me shall spray.
If you just take her, you know go there all this tree, all those things, you know can't affect you.
It's okay.
It's better than that spray where you spray.
Just normal. Okay, say na just normal vaccination. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it get very nice.
Okay.
But instead of maybe they take spray, you know, say all those spray, they are cortisone 2 days strong.
My nose blocks since 1 month. My own is 63 years now. Now my pregnancy of my last baby now I take contact this allergy.
Yeah.
Nora, man, we'll talk here.
Okay, sweetie, you never not see. Don't buy any wet away. Make it no because of your DP.
I changed the name.
Change your name.
Boy, I will hold no husband has perfect, I beg, yeah. Even relationship not perfect, talk less of husband as I beg.
Galat Lovette, Ogun kill your mama. Only you get different kind of sickness. I feel no fear. You are again a sickness. Make thunder strike where everything we don't labor for using that word. You be my hater, you be my enemy. What are you doing here? Are you mad? Eh? Make sickness kill you. The sickness will kill my man will kill you. Una can trigger person to person to cause una. You look at the dirty words that came out from your mouth. More than know anything more that they go through when they get belly. Say my last baby give me a leg. You say only you different sickness. God punish your generation. May we take your mama kill you. They mad. Now can talk anyhow. And I know you. Now one of the adulterers now be this.